bright start to the day in Bahaba, as we like to say here at News Center, Maine. Pretty start out there. Mallory Brook is hanging out with us this morning, and as we've been saying, this is kind of the calm before a storm or one or two or three.
Yeah, we have a lot of storms, plural, to get through as we head through the next couple of days. So I would just kind of soak up the sunshine, soak up the calmness. It's Sunday. Let's relax a little bit because the weather will keep you on your toes on top of probably the 20 other things you have going on this week. It is going to be a really nice day to be outdoors. Still on the chilly side, yes, but we have sunshine, which does make a ton of difference out there. 24 right now in Portland. You see the sun shining up from the tower cam there, and we'll continue to see those temperatures come up very slowly initially, but then they'll start to move a bit faster. So not a lot of clouds out there. It's really nice. So let's take this larger view of roughly the eastern 2/3 of the country so we can kind of get a lay of the land of what's going on here. We see the area of snow that goes from the northern plains closer to North Dakota into the lower peninsula of Michigan. That is our warm front. We're also starting to see some precipitation pop up into just south of Illinois, south of Chicago. So these are the components that are going to start to come together to bring us our first, right now, of roughly 4 systems in the next week. We'll focus on one at a time, I promise. Temperatures right now about 10 in Calais, 19 in Rangeley, 21 in Wiscasset, 25 for Waterville and Augusta, 20 in Sanford. A bit warmer into Portsmouth and especially southern York County because the cloud cover was hovering there a little bit longer. All right, so let's take you through the next couple of days. Today, no problem. Whatever you need to get done, travel, decorating, general life responsibilities, you are all okay. We continue to see the clouds stay away until we get to about an hour or two after sunset. So then we start to see those temperatures steady off. They're not really moving very much at that point, and we get that first little finger of snowfall that clips Greenville and into the county as we get into the wee hours of Monday morning. That is the warm front trying to pass through. But remember, a lot of times, especially in winter, we get what is called cold air damming. And this is when the warm air of the warm front, it's less dense than the cold air already situated in the area. So what does it do? It just rides up above the cold air. So it stays cold at the surface, warms up at about 3,000–4,000 feet. And the problem with that is going to be, as the precipitation comes in Monday morning, we're going to be cold at the surface, warm aloft, and that's going to set up the stage for some icing. This will likely be impactful to areas in the interior for Monday morning. Freiburg, Lewiston, Augusta, Waterville, probably in like the gray area, Poland, into not as far south as the Berwicks, but as you get into Waterboro, especially the western and northern parts of the state. And I think we're going to actually keep this as a concern through about noontime. Then we should get enough oomph from the warm air to actually get temperatures above freezing, and then it's all rain. So then we don't have too many concerns. It's rainy, it's windy, and the storm system comes through. Behind it, Tuesday morning, notice temperatures in most cases are below freezing. So any leftover moisture Tuesday morning will freeze, and we may have another morning with some black ice concerns. So definitely Monday morning, possible Tuesday morning. So tonight we increase that cloud cover. Temperatures in the southern areas may stay above freezing. Elsewhere, we could be seeing some light icing, especially into Monday just after sunrise. Gale watch on the water today. This is one storm. This is Monday. Still watching Wednesday. Doesn't look quite as exciting, but it's still possible. And then we have 2 to 3 coming Friday and into the weekend. I have a feeling 2 might morph together. It's hard to get a 1, 2, 3 within each 24 hours of each other. It's just a lot of energy close by. So I imagine that is still going to be an evolving situation. But nonetheless, keeping you on your toes for the first full week of December.